Please check the few sequences taken. As you can see, the drone starts spinning around its y-axis after a few minutes. In the first clip I did hand steer the drone, but did not spin it. After a while you will see it turned quite a bit to the right. In the second clip you can also see some drifting, although I may have caused it with my hands on the remote controller. This is why I created the third clip and just flew straight ahead, turning on the auto feature, C1 button, not touching the controller, but after a while it started spinning again. In the fourth and last clip I tried to correct the spinning. As you can see, it looks a little choppy sometimes. All clips are unedited right from the drone. The overall quality of the Hyperlapse is great, just the free flight feature needs a little improvement, to not have the spinning and be able to better steer the drone to have a more smooth picture sequence. Next is to try out the Hyperlapse waypoint mode, as this allows to set focus points and should lead to a much smoother footage path. If you have suggestions on how to make better time-lapse in free flight mode, please use the comments section of this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon. We have a few more ideas we would like to share with you.